Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video we will be analysing Macbeth's Soliloquy from Act 5 Scene 5, Macbeth's tomorrow and tomorrow's speech. At this point in the play, Macbeth's castle is under siege and he has just received news of Lady Macbeth's death. Macbeth says that Lady Macbeth should have died hereafter, suggesting that she would have died at some point and that the news would have come some day. Her suicide could be seen as her final and desperate act of seeking to cleanse her mind. The fact that Lady Macbeth dies off stage and her death is almost brushed aside by her husband could demonstrate how isolated Lady Macbeth was from her husband, which juxtaposes the united front they displayed at the start of the play. The repetition of the words tomorrow and tomorrow expresses Macbeth's growing madness, as he reveals that another day in his life would be just as futile and monotonous crawl towards the unavoidable end. Thus, the repetition of tomorrow is a metaphor for life being meaningless. Macbeth then goes on to say that tomorrow creeps in this petty pace meaning slow speed, from day to day to the last syllable of recorded time meaning life. In essence, what Macbeth is trying to say is that the days creep in slowly until the end of our lives. He then continues by saying, and all of our yesterdays have highlighted falls the way to dusty death. Within this part of the soliloquy, Macbeth acknowledges his own imminent demise, as he now has an understanding that he is not, as he assumed, exempt from death. He states that every day that's already happened or passed has taken fools, himself or humans, much closer to their deaths. The exclamative sentence of out, brief candle is symbolic for life. Here, Macbeth is suggesting that life is short and that nothing lasts forever. It could be argued that Macbeth could see a parallel between his life and his short-lived reign as king, with that of a burning candle. Shakespeare uses an example of meta-theatre, which reminds the audience that it is an actor who speaks the lines, "Life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his house upon the stage, and then is heard no more." Here, Macbeth takes on a desperate and philosophical tone of voice, where he alludes to life being nothing more than an illusion. Macbeth compares life to a poor player, as he sees life as meaningless, futile and deceptive. This suggests that in reflection, his efforts to become king has been in vain, as he realises he's been misled by the witches. Macbeth's soliloquy has an awful, depressing view of human morality when he says, "heard no more," showing that he will eventually be forgotten, as he will leave nothing behind due to not having an heir. Macbeth then goes on to say that it is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, significant nothing. In other words, life has no real lasting meaning, no matter what we struggle to achieve and no matter how hard we work, it's gone when we're gone. Macbeth is fundamentally trying to say that the tale we tell, which is our life story, while on stage, the stage being a metaphor for the world, as Shakespeare said, that all the world is a stage, is believed important only by an idiot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. If you found this video helpful and would like more tutorials, then please press the like button and leave a comment down below. Until next time, goodbye.